welcome to 2025. My name is Yinka Oklade. Many of you know me on this channel as your online agile coach. In this 2025, I'm going to be moving from being your online agile coach to being your online success coach. Yes, this 2025, we are going to be making money together. I have declared this year as our money making year. So yes, if you are in for making good money this year, then this is the channel to be in. And if you are visiting this channel and you're yet to subscribe, you may want to subscribe because this year we are coming in hot, right? Like many of you have seen, the slogan is we are going to be monetizing our skill set and building high businesses. Now, don't run away, right? Because I'm like, some of you are thinking like, oh, but I'm a working professional and I love my job. That is fantastic. I am also a working professional who loves my job. But who says that there's any harm in making extra stream of income, right? No harm in doing that. And that's what this channel is going to be focusing on. I am going to be sharing the tips and the tricks of how I'm able to have multiple businesses while keeping my 9-to-5 job. Yes, many of you know, as I've shared multiple times, that I have multiple businesses across 2 continents and I still have my 9-to-5 job. And so I'm able to have multiple streams of income for myself. And this year, I want to focus on helping you also achieve that for yourself. Now, the great news is that many of you on this channel already have skills. Many of you on this channel already have wealth of experience. And many of you on this channel are very knowledgeable. So you've got what it takes to monetize your knowledge, okay? And that is what we're going to be focusing on in this channel, teaching you how to do just that. So if you're ready to make this year your money making year, make sure you're subscribed and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.